Good morning, good timers. We are just sitting here in bed, obviously, still watching a little bit of TV, but just waiting to head over to Anthony and Christina's here this morning. Not sure exactly what's on the agenda today. I'm pretty sure we're going to be taking a little tour of downtown Fort Collins, but other than that, not really sure what we're going to be doing, but we'll find something exciting, I'm sure. So we will see you here in a little bit as soon as we figure out what we're doing. Where are you guys taking us today? Hootenanny Mountain or something?
We're taking up the Pooter.
The Pooter Mountain? You heard it first?
Up the Pooter.
Pooter Mountain coming up.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. Forever. Forever.
Okay, guys. So Anthony brought us to this fancy gourmet restaurant here along the way on the way to Cooter Mountain, or Pooter, whatever you say. Anyway, Mishawaka restaurant, gourmet food, right here along the route. Okay guys, we are in the old town of Fort Collins now. Made our way down here. I think we're trying to find a cider tasting at a place called Scrumpy's.
We're not far from your car. There you go.
And Christina's leaving already. I think Anthony made her mad. Did something. As you can see, guys, we're over here live streaming and vlogging at the same time. Just got done our cider flight here. Didn't leave much on there. Our favorite was the apple strudel.
I'm drinking a Palisades peach beer.
Christina's got the Palisades peach. We did try that as well. That was pretty decent. The apple strudel, of course, tasted pretty much like apple strudel. Hard cider with lots of cinnamon and nutmeg and all that good stuff. Very seasonal. But now we are off to go play some mini golf. Try some slushy drinks like they have over at Vegas probably. And yeah, continue our live stream. All right, so making our way over to mini golf. This is at a place that is awfully similar to the Container Park in Vegas. I'm not sure where Anthony's going. It looks like he's gonna walk right out in the middle of the street. So I'm gonna let him go first because, you know, he's tall. They'll hit him before me. But yes, we are going over to the mini version of Container Park in Vegas to do some more drinking and play some mini golf, I believe. Still live streaming. Still vlogging over here. All right. Gonna try to do this without dying. Oh, we should have done a 360 right in the middle of when we're walking across. I don't have the long pole, so you're all set.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, and we are off. Looking good over here. Nobody's gonna kill us over here. And now we just got the other direction. You won't get this kind of excitement just anywhere, guys. Only from a Seeking Vegas Sunrise vlog and a Good Times Productions vlog. Everybody else edits this shit out, not us. You get the whole entire experience here with us. You should like and subscribe. And definitely hit a notifications button, because these guys go live all the time. If you want to see Anthony mowing his lawn, hit that notifications button on Seeking Vegas Sunrise's page. And by the way, not that we're in any kind of competition, but we're both at like 1,340 something subscribers. So
Just hit 1350.
whoever gets there first to 1,500 is buying the other person the next plane ticket to Vegas. So there you go. But no competition.
No, that's fair though. That's fair.
Yeah.
That's fair.
All right. So like I said, looks a lot like Container Park in Las Vegas. All shipping containers. And we're gonna go find out where this whole mini golf experience is here. And so there we go, guys. Old Town Putt. That makes sense for a mini golf place. Game on. So we'll go get our drink on and go get our game on. It is indoor. Okay, good timers, we are done at mini golf because there was a private event going on. Somebody was getting married, so I guess that's a good excuse to end the mini golf early. We have made our way over to some place called Carper Muse Distillery. We are still in the
Copper.
what did I just say?
Copper. Carper.
Cooper.
Copper.
Copper Muse Distillery.
Yes.
And I don't know, I guess we're gonna order some drinks because we haven't had enough yet.
I don't think you should have enough.
Simone is gonna order water because I've had too much to drink.
You should have.
That's fair.
All right, see ya.
No, she was supposed to get tested.
Okay, guys, the live feed is done, but the drinks are not. So we got some food coming and some more drinks.
Thank you.
Thank you. Anyway, we're just gonna walk around for a while and explore the old town, which is what we were gonna do to start with, but we got distracted by alcohol and mini golf and a live feed. So yeah, we're gonna try to walk it off for a little bit, I guess. Check out the old town. Right now we're down a side road that looks a little sketchy, to be honest with you.
Really?
But there is like Christmas lights above us, or in front of us, I should say.
You want to sketch it, I'll show you.
And Christmas lights always means something good.
It means Christmas and joyous.
Means Christmas, right? Actually, I'm pretty sure we drove through here the other day.
Did the right card come in?
Over here is the right,
I love the right card.
the right card, and yeah, Christina loves it.
It's a good store.
I don't know what it is, but she loves it.
It's a card shop, and they have like little gifts.
They have the
Like cards, like Hallmark cards.
Yeah,
well,
That sounds
cards and gifts.
sounds utterly boring, but all right.
You love cards.
I could write cards actually.
Look, tea house.
I'm a very good writer. I could write Hallmark greeting cards for a living while I'm sitting at home doing nothing.
Old Firehouse Books.
I hate books.
Tea house.
That's the books.
No,
Oh, the
but
Forge.
this is cool artwork right here.
Shit, let's go.
This is actually cool artwork.
We're gonna go to the Forge.
We gotta get out of the road though, because there's a car coming.
Shit, this is actually a road. I didn't realize this was a road.
Definitely an alley.
That was her fault. No, we're getting out of the road that I didn't know was a road.
The Forge.
Here's some sunflowers. I'm not sure if anybody can see anything in this right now because it's pretty dark. So I'm just gonna go ahead and turn this off.
Whatever, just, you know,
Yeah,
you're gonna put that.
I'm gonna fall off the sidewalk. All right, good timers. We are here now somewhere. I actually have no idea where we are. Where are we? We're at the Forge. We're here at the Forge in Fort Collins, Colorado. The Seeking Vegas Sunrise. And Simone Pickles. There we go. And Anthony, who left. I think he's peeing. Anyway, you got a lot of beers on tap up here, apparently. Right along the ceiling, you can see them all. There's like 4,320. So yeah, if you like beer, you get your choice of them. I actually have no idea what we're doing here. We just showed up and walked in. There's a cool picture on the wall of a dog on a couch, which is actually the same couch you guys are sitting on right now. You guys are sitting on the dog couch that's here in the picture. All right, good times. Hello, good timers. We are here. I have no idea where here is. I have no idea where we are. But we are in Fort Collins still. Looks like Anthony's getting another drink at wherever we are. And it's a great place. Wherever it is.
Look at the brick walls.
It's a nice brick wall.
I do believe that you already
And we've got
went
Simone
over where you went.
and Christina over there.
Before you were like, hey, this is where we're at.
This is where we are at. There are nice bricks. There's a picture of a dog on the same exact couch that you are on. Anthony's got himself a drink. So yeah, here we are, wherever it is. All right, good timers, we are leaving wherever we were.
The Forge.
The Forge, there we go. Anthony tells me it is the Forge, and
It's a cute little pub.
the Forge is confirmed. Yeah, it is actually a cool little place. Nice, relaxing. They had absolutely no pumpkin beer, so I didn't drink any.
It's probably best.
It might be best, I don't know.
Yeah, it's probably for the best.
But yeah, we are, I don't know, we're walking. Don't know what we're doing, but we are walking.
We're back in the alley.
We're back in some, yeah, we're back in some sketchy alley, right? But it's Fort Collins. How sketchy can it be, right?
Your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes. I know you're all about the good vibes. Do you know how much I love you? Wanna see you smile. Where's the happy girl that I know with a heart on fire? I'll do anything to make it fine, but I can tell that you have something on your mind right now. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax. about the good vibes. We are all about the good times. Dancing till it feels alright, all night. We're all about the good vibes, all about the good vibes. I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink.